all influencers have to keep their followers positive, but I just say because Bitcoin, that's not true. The objective of a leader is to lead by example. If the tide is rising, we get longs. If the tide is sinking, we get shorts. Emotions in the trade is what diminishes profitability. And if someone's, again, you can be positive on both sides, but if you're a forever bull in a bearish market, you're going to get cooked and you're going to screw over a lot of people. Now, vice versa. If you're a bear in a bull run, you're also going to get cooked. What I'm really trying to get at is to being dynamic and using common sense. And have you noticed I don't sell anything. I just put a title and a chart. That's it. I kept it clean and simple. I used to put my website. I no longer promote my website no more because I have to practice what I preach. And if what I'm saying is bothering me and I'm looking at others, I have to say I can't do that anymore. So instead, I want to create critical thinkers. Critical thinkers are so much more. Old season I've been playing. Oh, Kyle, how's the Cloud bot been? Okay, someone had asked me why. Why did I write crypto influencers are lying to you? Ask me why. Why? Because when you question their thesis, they get insulted. When you question any of my thesis, I'm open to hear. And if I'm wrong, I will let you know I'm wrong. But I've done a lot of research and I've been trading for a very long time profitably. So I will come up with results based off of data, not opinions. That's probably the primary reason. That's why I think they're lying to you. Just ask them. I've been in many live streams where I see people question them, and all the chat, the group insults this individual, even though they had a very intelligent rebuttal, very intelligent rebuttal. The host of the live stream belittles the individual based off of this incredibly great rebuttal question. And it just shocks my mind. People nowadays, they're selling you an illusion. I'm just so frustrated, and you could tell because I normally don't do live streams. I have been doing a live streams for a month and a half now, almost every single day, trying to promote, trying to make people more aware. We had Shiba Inu Dogecoin rally crazy percentages. We caught the 500% gain on Shiba Inu in the beginning, but when it was time to take profits, because again on TikTok, I said this is how I got my call to fame. I said I'm buying Shiba Inu at 509. The next day, it shot up. I said, gang, I'm going to wait till it hits 4042. The position got executed, and it has fell down to almost the previous lows. But yet, when Shiba Inu and Dogecoin was up at their highs, these crypto influencers were extremely bullish and buy every dip. Misleading. That's why. And you could kind of tell I'm very frustrated in my tone of how I'm speaking.